The Japan Area Agent has set dates for its historical schedule to investigate the shallow of an asteroidal in micro-robots. The Hayabusa-2 space vehicle achieved the asteroidal Ryugu in June, the year following a 3.5-year travel to the rotating upper-shaped area fate. Officials include selected days in September and October for the deploy of individual robot disembarkation handicraft of the Hayabusa-2 mothership. The micro-robots will be dispatched to individual locations on the asteroidal. If all goes so, Hayabusa-2 will be the first space vehicle to effectively expand landers to collect information of the shallow of an asteroidal. The 1 km wide area fate, named officially as 162173 Ryugu, belongs to a especially simplistic kind of asteroidal, and is thus a heirloom leftward above of the previous days of our sunny framework. Student, it could barn lighting on the descent and evolutionary of our own Earth. Hayabusa-2 was startup of the Tanegashima Start Center in far southern Japan on December 3, 2014. It has been transport several scientific tool payloads for produce onto the shallow of its goal, Ryugu. On 21 September, it will dispatch the first of these piggybacked packages. A canister named as Minerva II-1, that is installed on the space vehicle, will expand 2 micro-robots named as Wanderer 1A and Wanderer 1B. The 1 kg rovers will in fact go by jumping by the asteroidal's low seriousness. Every one contains a engine-powered domestic massive how rotates to produce strength, propellant the robotic through the shallow. The rovers are furnished in broad-angle and stereo system cameras to email behind pictures of Ryugu. Later, on October 3, the mothership will expand a landing module named Talisman, that has been advanced by the Deutsche Space Center, DLR, in conjunction in the France Area Agent, CNEs. Talisman, differently named as the Portable Asteroidal Shallow Intelligence Officer, is a 10 kg tool pack how will collect a band of research information of the shallow. It carries a broad-angle chamber, a microscope to research the structure of mineral deposits, a radiation monitor to action heat, and a gaussmeter to action the magnet box. Following it reaches the shallow, Talisman can go its stance just 1 day, by bouncing. But the asteroidal's course shallow could do disembarkation dangerous. The largest of these, close the southward polar, is alleged to be about 130 meter, on the identical as the altitude of the London site. Else landing module, named as Minerva II, that has been constructed by a crew at Japan's Tohoku College, will be developed at a after day. Hayabusa-2 would later get down in the crater to gather crisp rock how include not been changed by eons of exposition to the environmental of area. These samples of production will later be shipped to land for lab teaching. The space vehicle will leave of Ryugu in December 2019 in the intent of back to land in the asteroidal samples of production in 2020. The first Hayabusa space vehicle was startup in 2003 and achieved the asteroidal Itokawa in 2005. In spite creature hit by a episode of mishaps, it refundable to land in 2010 in a little sum of content of the asteroidal. An US asteroidal specimen back mission statement, OSIRIS-REx, will rapprochement in the subject 101955 Bennu after the year.